For survivors of crime, the legal process may be overwhelming and confusing, and they may have a lot of questions. One of the things that they will have to eventually do is give a deposition to talk about the trauma that they have experienced. A deposition is a formal interview that a client will have to give at some point during the legal proceeding. The client will not have to be in a courtroom on the stand in front of a judge. Instead, the client will be at usually our office or a neutral location. The people in the room will be the client, your attorney, the opposing counsel, and a stenographer. The client will be asked a variety of questions. Some of the questions may be uncomfortable to answer, and some of them may not even seem relevant. For a client's deposition, the defense attorney will go first and ask you primarily all of the questions that they want to ask you. After the defense attorney is done asking questions, your attorney will have the opportunity to ask you any additional questions that may be necessary for your testimony. You will be giving a deposition under oath, and the court reporter will be recording everything that you are saying. Sometimes the deposition may be conducted virtually, but even during those times, your attorney will be with you, either in person or virtually. Prior to a deposition, the attorneys will always do a prep with the client, whether it is in person or virtual. During the prep, the attorney will go over all of the questions that you will be asked and will explain to you what to expect. You aren't allowed to talk to your attorney during the deposition. However, during breaks, you can consult with your attorney. Once the deposition begins, your attorney will not leave your side. If your attorney tells you to not answer a question, then you don't have to answer that question. Additionally, your attorney may object at certain points. This means that they are just protecting the record if the case goes to trial. Once the deposition is finished, your attorney will receive a copy of your deposition transcript. They will then send you that transcript for review. Additionally, your attorney will take some time after the deposition to answer any questions that you may have. Sharing your story under oath may be intimidating, but it is an important step to getting you the justice that you deserve.